it's Amy with Tire Supply Network. We have here Esco's Universal Demounter tool. It is so easy to use, and I'm going to prove it to you by dismounting this 19.5 tire in less than a minute. First, we will insert the heavy-duty bead wedge underneath the bead of the tire. Then, from the opposite side of the bead wedge, we insert the Universal Demounter. I find it easiest to insert when the tool is as horizontal as possible. Once the demounting tool is underneath the first bead, we will take our impact and fit the socket onto the demounting tool. Start the impact, and it's as simple as walking over to the other side of the tire. Now to finish, reinsert the dismount tool until it catches the second bead. Walk it on over, and then you're done. The tool is no more, meaning your aluminum rims won't get scratched up. Thank you for watching. Shop Esco's entire lineup of equipment at TireSupplyNetwork.com.